What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on advanced features. Now here tap on one-handed mode, and to use one-handed mode tap on this on off button to turn it on, and then you can choose how you want to open the one-handed mode. You can choose gesture or button. So double tap the home button to open one-handed mode, and if you want to use gesture then swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of your screen. So just simply swipe down and it will open the one-handed mode. You can change the size of the screen, or you can also change its position. You can move it to the left or right side. And if you want to turn off one-handed mode, then you can tap anywhere on your screen and then the one-handed mode will be turned off. So that's how you can use one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.